Hey, it's Bryan over at CrossCountry. Hope you're having a great start to your week. Hey, I wanted to talk with you about open houses, not on new construction homes, but on a resale home. So let's say you are driving down the street and you see a home that looks attractive to you, and you decide, you know what the heck, let's pull in and let's go check this thing out. And you walk inside, and it's just you, and there's a real estate broker inside the house, and they're going to ask you to register, and you'll give them your basic contact information, name, phone number, email. Usually that's so the seller understands who is in their home if there's ever any issues, and then you go walk around the house and you check it out. Seems harmless. The challenge with that is a little thing called procuring cause. So I've seen this happen where the listing agent who represents the seller is holding an open house that you walk into without your realtor, and they show you the home and they talk with you about details, and then you decide later that you want to make an offer, and you call your realtor who was not at the open house with you and you submit the offer. That can cause problems, because now the listing agent is upset and was expecting to work with you, and now there's another real estate broker involved, so it gets very complicated very quick. I'm bringing this up because over the weekend we did 2 open houses with real estate brokers that we partner with, and literally every single home buyer that walked in without their realtor. Half of those people could not remember the name of their realtor, and it just blew my mind. So if those people come back and want to write an offer on any of those properties that we were at, that realtor, who is not the procuring cause, who was not involved with their client over the weekend, is going to be potentially involved, which is fine. But what I want you to understand is it's a super, super tight seller's market. And if the first person you want to influence when you submit an offer is the listing agent, and you start off in a negative position because they're upset that you thought, or they thought that they'd be working with you, and all of a sudden there's another realtor involved, it's just not a good thing to do. So if you're going to go to open houses, make sure that you have your real estate broker's card at a minimum. I believe they should be with you. They should be going with you to these open houses, but that may not be possible for scheduling or whatnot. So at a minimum, I would highly recommend you have their business card with you, so when you walk in, you can hand it to the listing broker and say, hey, look, here's my real estate broker representing me, and this is my buyer's agent's contact information. I'm here just to check the property out, just so you know I have an agent representing me, and here is who it is. So sounds kind of silly, but I can tell you it's going to save you a lot of headache, and hopefully if the home that you walk into is the one that you want, hopefully that'll help set you up to be in a good spot to negotiate with the seller, so there's no guessing games and no animosity from the very beginning. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can call us directly at 847-603-4778.